Kovakka Salad. Take 250 grams of kovakka or raw ivy gourd and slice them into matchstick-sized pieces. For the dressing, take 1 raw mango, peel the skin and chop it into cubes. Add 1 green chili, half a cup of coriander and mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of curd, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Now, mix the dressing with the sliced ivy gourd. Add half a cup of pomegranate seeds and mix well. Finally, garnish with pomegranate seeds and fresh mint leaves. Your refreshing Kovakka salad is ready to enjoy.